My name is Adam Charles and I am the owner of K20 Auto Repair in Holly Springs, North Carolina. So I signed up for 360 payments about 6 months ago. And the reason why is the old software I was using was just very outdated and it didn't integrate with any payment software, so everything was separate and I had to just pretty much do double the work. Texting and email to pay is definitely the easiest, not only for me but for the customers, because not everyone can get here during business hours. People have lives, they work, they got kids, they got all that. And just not having to rush here, trying to figure out a ride, it's just at your convenience whenever you arrive. Before, I couldn't text customers payment, they had to be here over the phone. So now I could text a link to pay, email a link to pay, and the fact that I have a key drop box for after hours drop off. They can drop off the car before we open, and I also have key pickup boxes. So technically you never even need to be here during business hours. Everything is taken care of pretty much through the phone, text, email. It's so simple. It's so easy, just a click of the button and automatically goes to the payment machine, and there it is, then it automatically loads up. I don't need to type in how much you pay as I did before, and it's all just integrated right away, and all the numbers are matching. It's no issues at all. It's so easy. I wish I would have done it sooner. I would say definitely do it. I mean, like I said, just the fact that they talk to each other, they integrate, email to pay, text to pay, it's not only easier for you, but your customers will be happier and they'll spread the word, which is obviously the end goal.